Yo guys, what's up? Shadow here, and welcome back to another episode of Space Engineers. Today, we're gonna do some debugging. We're gonna figure out what the hell is going on with that gas. Eventually. Alright, however, before we start that, let me just, real quick, give you a heads up about the schedule, because this week is going to be normal, but next week I'm not 100% sure. Because basically, this Friday/Saturday, me and my wife are going to move to a new place. And also, you know, all the administrative stuff will happen on Friday/Saturday, aka the internet connection should be disconnected where we are right now and then connected where we're moving on Friday. Given that works, then the schedule should be normal. If that doesn't work and I have to scream at the IT company, or our provider rather, then, well, we'll have to see. Thing is, I can technically do like a hotspot with my phone, but I will take ages to upload stuff, so let's just hope it will work. Alright, so let me take a survival kit into the build planner. Then we'll take everything that we need. Well, we need 3 more medical components, which we shall make real quick. Boop. There we go. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now we have everything for a survival kit. And why do I need that? Basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna insert this at various points along this line here. And for example, let's just make an example. Let's insert it right here. Well, actually, this is a bad idea because then it won't be connected to the hydrogen. Let's insert it here. This is a perfect place to insert. Because it will bridge this connection, right? And then we can check. Boom. Hydrogen and oxygen have just been refilled. Cool. Oh, whoops. There we go. I need to close my visor. Good. So up until here, it's certainly working. And I don't think sorters should impact the frickin' gas flow. But yeah. So up to here, it works fine. Then it goes into these things. Now let's put the next one up here. There. Like so. Okay, let's fly around a bit. There we go. See? Build up. Good. So that works as well. So now that should go in here, right? That's a sorter that's behind here. Yeah, it is. That's the right way around, I think. Okay, let's cut this line. Do the same thing. I swear to God, if it works today, like miraculously, I'm gonna be mad. Ah, see? Here it doesn't work, but that means... Wait, does that mean the sorter is actually blocking it? Because the only way... The thing is, I'm not gonna destroy these batteries because, you know, that would be stupid, but... The only way for this to not work is because the sorter is actually blocking it. You know what I mean? Huh. Oh, that's a bit awkward, isn't it? Let me think. Let me do a little experiment, shall we? So that we can prove that it might be the sorter. So we'll slap this down right here. There we go. Still works. Okay, so this is proven that this works from this position. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna delete this part. We're gonna slap a sorter right onto here. And we'll put the sorter in the exact same way. We'll put it this way. So we'll need a few more components to make that work. Okay, let us see. Okay. Yeah, indeed. Sorters are blocking it. Okay, do they block it just in one direction or do they block it in both directions? Okay, interesting. So they're blocking it. Hold on. So yeah, they're basically, what they're doing is they're blocking the gas in one direction and not in the other. Okay, that's curious. However, that means what we can do here is we can potentially
Inventory full.
just
Inventory full.
put that stuff down here.
Inventory full.
Of course.
Inventory full.
Ugh. There. Okay.
Inventory.
What that
full.
means essentially is that we have to redraw the structure, essentially. We have to, instead of connecting this to here, we'll have to connect it to back here. This is what we'll have to do. And we can still, if we want to, we can still essentially put in a sorter if we want to, so that not accidentally stuff can be taken out. But yeah, that kind of means that we have to start deleting these bits here.
Inventory full.
Oops. And then start essentially drawing this all the way back here. Since I don't know if this is gonna be covered under this completely, if we're gonna extend it too far, we're gonna run this around here. Then here. Around the corner. So and then probably just in here. Then we'll replace this here with a T section.
Inventory full. Inventory
Damn it.
full.
We'll replace this part here with a T section. And then we'll put one of these in here. It shouldn't let anything like ice or anything like that through. It should just, you know, let gas through, I think. That's interesting. I never encountered a situation that the sorters do block gas. But to be fair, I never had like a system like this where I had to sort between normal ore and ice. That I don't think I ever did that before in that manner. So yeah, interesting. Okay, let us start by putting things into the build planner here. Also, I don't know if you can actually hear it. I feel I can hear it, but maybe you can't. It's a lot more echoey in my room at this point because I basically moved almost all of the furniture already out, or rather I already, you know, deconstructed most of the furniture. So it's pretty much an empty room now, so it's pretty echoey right now. So I hope it's not too bad actually listening to this. It's gonna be like this the whole week, and then on Friday hopefully new place, and then you know, I'll have to set stuff up Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then if I'm lucky, Monday I'm already gonna be in working condition again. Might not have like the full room set up, so it might also still be echoey a little bit, but we'll see. Also, there is a possibility that I might have my VR set up again in the new room, because it's kind of the same layout as this room that I'm in right now. However, it's a bit wider and a bit longer, so it's just generally speaking a little bit bigger, which might just be enough for VR. Not necessarily like walking around a lot VR, but at least standing VR with a little bit of, you know, caution, if you want to put it like that. But I technically could do VR again, which I'm kind of excited. I haven't done VR in a long time, but to be fair, I don't know in what condition my Vive is at the moment. I actually used it like maybe a few months ago. I kind of did like a very redneck setup where I just basically put the sensors on top of shelves and stuff, and just to try something real quick, and then I put it away again. Then it worked still. It was a little bit janky because of course it wasn't, you know, the sensors weren't aligned properly. They were essentially on a shelf pointing in one direction and not just not angled down as they're supposed to be. But you know, it was alright. It was alright. So I wonder. Also now with a better graphics card and everything, I don't know. Maybe we'll have to see what we can do with the new setup. Actually, pretty sure this is all not right here. Okay, let's add this all to... There we go. And do we have some stuff in here? Yes, we do. Boom. Okay, let's check if this works now. Yes, okay, awesome. So that was the problem then. Sorters indeed do block gas. That's new for me. I didn't know that. Well, they do block gas in directionally. There's actually no filter here that tells them to let gas through. But if you put them the other way around, they generally block everything. It's almost like they're not connected in a way. So that's why that didn't work. Okay. That's good. So, what do we do next? I think... God, look at how deep down this is. Look at it. Jesus, I love it. And we can still go further. We're a bit over halfway already with this one. So let's extend this one a bit more. To, what is it, 7.5 probably? Yep, 7.5. And over here, our good old faithful. Look at that, that has also excavated quite a bunch here. I love it. And it's on a new round. It's just increased the depth, so it's extending again. Okay, cool. So let me just get some steel plates right now, and we'll just do some like basic decorating and stuff. No, well, not decorating, but basic layout of rooms and stuff like that. We'll do that for now. So let me just weld a few of these floor plates here, and then we'll do like the floor setup for the other rooms, and then after that is done, we'll figure out what we do with those rooms, what's going to be in them essentially. Okay. There we go. Those. That one. Okay. So now, what? Normally the rooms are 3 by 3, yes? So 1, 2, 3, like that. Then here, I think we're doing it like this. And then there's gonna be that we're gonna do that at the end. This is gonna be decorations. Probably gonna be like that, or like half sloped into here, or maybe a block here and then half sloped into here. I don't know yet. We'll see. Or maybe this is just gonna go straight over here with flat blocks and then just put railings on it. I'm not 100% sure. I mean, you know, oh, actually, this is still going to be inside, so there might be like a little side rooms here on both sides with like lockers and stuff, you know, where you can store flight gear and whatnot. Okay, cool. Let us do the same kind of setup over here. Yep, already out, already out. Oh, Jesus, ouch. Straight in there. Yeah, well, for placement that's enough. I'll have to get some more afterwards. So 1, 2, yeah, we're up. Good. There we go. Let's actually place these as well, like so. Gonna be like that, I feel. Just little rooms right there. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, let's start welding all these floor plates here. I think that's the first step here. It's getting these done. Okay. Gosh darn, we need a lot of steel plates, don't we? Now let's produce some more. But it is fascinating how deep down this goes. I'm pretty sure with this we can reach a lot of very nice materials, like, you know, all the ores that we found over there. We'll basically spend some time roaming around the planet, gathering some ore. Maybe as we're driving around, you know, extend our base. Because of, you know, we kind of want to refill this ship and be able to leave again in the end, but maybe we'll build something else on this, like as a project, you know, driving around gathering resources for something. We'll see. I kind of want to get a little bit of a feel with this vehicle before we leave again. You know what I mean? That's actually also... Oh wait, this is that assembler. Wait, which one is the other assembler? I should name it. I should name it the vehicle assembler. Let's call this factory assembler. There we go. So now we at least know which one it is. So this is the factory assembler. Yeah, it's not repeating queue. Okay, so let's just make more steel plates here as well. Right. There we go. Okay. But yeah, I mean, we could probably just charge the ship at this point and leave, but that wouldn't be fun, right? We kind of want to explore the planet a little bit. Either until we're satisfied or until this vehicle breaks for some unforeseen reason and we have to bail. But I hope that's not going to happen too soon. I mean, let's be honest, I'm probably tempting fate a little bit with such a large rover. It would have been worse, like, on the earlier versions of Space Engineers, where rovers were very much flipping machines. They just flipped at inconceivable moments. They became a lot better in the recent few updates. Speaking of updates, there haven't been a lot of communication lately, right? That sometimes makes me really freaking nervous. I know good things will take time and such, but Jesus Christ. The last things, at least on the Steam page, that I've seen that I communicated was like community spotlight things. That's it. Nothing else. That's a bit... ugh. I don't know. It's not like I would stop playing this game because of that, but still, I'd kind of like to know a little bit what's going on. No? There we go. Probably one more load of steel plates and we're done. Let's just get these and then Well, we're done with the floor plates, that is. Not quite done yet. Okay, and I probably will send our drill down a bit more. I have the feeling. These are out of material again already, aren't they? Yeah, they are. Also, 9.5k gravel. That's insane. How much gravel is in here? Nothing, actually. But 4 and 6k of nickel and silicon, respectively. That's a good amount. Okay, let's go down to 8 meters. Maybe we need to get some more iron next episode with our vehicle.
Energy low.
Because right now we're not getting too much stuff. Okay, energy low. Now we can obviously just real quick, we can just whoop, load that baby up. Okay. Let's see. Let's just start welding on one side. Let's just start here. Then, okay, what kind of rooms do we still need? I don't think like there's not an absolute necessity for something anymore. So we can be a little bit creative with these rooms. So one could be like an armory where I just put like, you know, the weapon lockers on the walls. Just put these there. And what could the other room be? Like a command room with like a console in the middle, something like that. Not producing steel plates anymore? Produce steel plates, please, because Jesus Christ, man. Maybe I should just slap some mods on this one, honestly. Just so it goes a little bit faster. Might not be a terrible idea. Because at the moment our steel plate production is sorely lacking. Okay. So this room is more or less, well, or more on the less side than on the more side, but you know what I mean. Right. Let's get some of these and then some of those so we can do some decorating. Okay, we'll do like a simple like briefing room thingy with a console in the middle. Then I'll have some desks at either side. And then since I'm not 100% sure yet how low these ceilings are gonna be, I'm gonna put like couches here. More sitting space, and then I'm gonna leave these here empty so we can put up lights if we, you know, we need some space here. I think in every room there's like at least one space where it's, you know, where we can put lights up. However, maybe it might be a good idea to actually go like a two block high ceiling. Might be a good idea. We'll see. These as well. So lead on this side. Come this way. Now. Let's all add stuff to the build planner. Excellent. Let's see how much we can get over here. Lots of stuff. Okay. Oh yeah. Think we got all. Yep. More. Okay, and now computers and computers and displays. Could be here. Yes. Yeah. So what I was also thinking, maybe later on, if I decide that it's a good idea or that it looks good, we might put like a window in here, but not with the normal window blocks. More like with what are they called? I think they're also called window. With these here, the thick framed windows. I think that might look cool as well. We'll have to see how the whole shebang looks after we're quote unquote done with it. But yeah. Okay, so that room's finished. Let me start welding over here. Getting that room set up. So are we gonna make this an armory? I think so. I think over here we just had the normal locker. Yes, we did. So yeah, we can totally put an armory in here, right? Probably an interesting idea. Of course it doesn't frickin' just work. Okay. Actually, 2 more of these. There. Why do we have some leftover components in our thing? Oh, that's why. Gosh darn.
Fuel low.
That's annoying. Oh, 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 oh. Woo! Ooh!
Fuel
Ow!
critical.
Bonk! that was a good bonk. Now, actually, that the drill is up here, I don't need to fly to it anymore, so that's good. Shit. Yeah. 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 Let's see. Control panel, no, not that. There we go. Generator. Shouldn't I be able to, with the tanks, with the oxygen tanks? So, if I put auto refill on this, or do I have to put them into the tank? This one. Or is that one empty? Let's see. Oxygen tank. Ah, it's actually filled. Oh, I betcha. There is again a problem with the freaking sorters or something. Fine. Put stuff in here, we're gonna get ice. It's fine. This should be enough. Yet. There. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okie dokie. Just do that. Whoop. Now we need the weapon racks. And also I think maybe put some of these in here with the suits. And then, yeah, the weapon racks. There we go. Easy peasy. Okay, let's put these all into our build planners. Okay. Oop. There you go. Now we should probably start with this one, otherwise I'll forget. There. Thank you. Is that now off the build planner? Yes, it is indeed.
Energy low.
Okay. Oh, I still have 80 plates in my inventory. Let me just weld these into places. So we're gonna get our energy real quick. So quick. I love it. Okay. Draw stuff. Oh. Arms room done. So now I would say the cockpit might be the next step. Right? That in here, or did we miss a part of the lockers? Did we get everyone? Ah, nope. Need to get that in a second here. Okay, okay, let us think how we're gonna make this look. We're probably just gonna make a hallway. Although, to be fair, let's open this up a little bit and then going this width with the hallway, yeah? That makes sense. So that well, these, so they're good. Then we get a little bit of stuff, a little bit of room in our inventory. So we open this up all the way. Okay. Just start welding the floor here. Okay. Now, do I want to seal this off with a door? Is the question, like so. Maybe, you know? So, you know, it's properly separated from the rest. Yeah, sure. Let's do that. Okay. So, but that means we'll want to have this properly set up. Yeah? I'm gonna try and mimic the setup from over there. Can. I think that's like this. If I'm mistaken. Okay, I have like a little idea as well for something else around the cockpit, but I'll have to like mull over it a little bit more before I'm 100% certain on it. Let us increase our drill depth again. Going to 8.5. Okay. So probably, I think it was suggested as well to put maybe a few more windows up in the side as well, and I think that's a smart move, so that if you're sitting here, you can look out the side. And I'm thinking, let me just think how I'm gonna make these windows. At least you want like at least that, right? Now what would probably be cool, yeah, I'm just thinking, you know, because we'll have to have a roof of course here. I'll probably the roof is gonna start like here, most likely. Like this, and then go like that. Oh wait. Since we're working with these half slopes. Oh, that was the wrong positioning. Since we're working with half slopes, we might want to make the top here also half sloped. No? Look probably a bit smoother this way. Then we're gonna have it like so. It's kind of like sun protection, you know? If that makes sense. The window is like, the windows are like nestled in here in this protective cocoon. If that makes sense. Then we have the roof here. I'm thinking about the roof. Maybe we'll put something on there as well. Or something else. Cannon maybe. I don't know yet. But we'll check it out. For now, let's just do that. Okay. So that is the cockpit. Now, if we're going in here, and also I should probably find an end soon. So if we're going in here, we have... Would probably be cool to have a little bit of bigger window. Actually, it might be cool to have like a complete huge window. Know what I mean? Although I'm not 100% sure how I'm gonna make this look interesting though. What I could do, of course, is the following. I could put the window blocks on the outside, so to speak, and then do like half windows. Like so. And then maybe even, you know, the half windows, even with I don't know, blocks like that. You know, like this. And then just put the window blocks like on top of here. So they're on the outside. And then if you're sitting here, you have the front view, you have a good side view. Yeah, I think that is not a terrible idea. It's probably what we're gonna work on next episode first thing, because I kind of want to nail the window design so it doesn't look trashy from in and outside. It's supposed to look good, so we're gonna have to figure out how good this can look, potentially. Because right now I have no idea if this is gonna look good even. But yeah, let's before we end this, let's just use up all our steel plates. My essentially welding these parts. Oh, I'm gonna run out anyway. Okay, cool. So yeah, the design starts to take form, I think. I mean, there's gonna be a little like a whoop in the middle here, a little hump. But that's fine. That's fine. I think we can deal with that. And the cockpit at the front, that's gonna be elementary. This window design, I feel. We'll figure it out. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and take care.